Let's record this real quick. Oh, it does have a box.
Oh, they good Uggs.
Don't worry, we got the climbing boots.
Hey.
So they're not really climbing boots, but they boots. Yeah, this is heavy. Let's get it.
Still tough?
Got the beef and broccoli. No.
No what?
No, they suede. It's supposed to be waterproof. But
Yeah, they do actually.
I ain't trying to wet them though, so I try to.
Oh yeah.
Describe.
Damn, you seen the bottom? That's a fine print. You walk through snow in that perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah. Damn, that's good.
This way.
Those are well spent. And these shits, so when you wear it thick, this shit is comfort.
I had the fucking. I should have got them when I first saw them. I paid like an extra $40, but you know what? I wanted them, so can't complain, bro.
That $40 look well spent, I'll tell you that. So you should
yeah. I was like, let me get something nobody got. Everybody usually wearing the regular yellow Timbs. Let's try these on real quick. Alright. Damn, I haven't had Timbs in years. In years.
Still got the same pair.
Years. Let's try these on, bruh. Probably wear these for like New Year's or something.
Shit is fire.
I got the, what's the box number here? Zoom in on that so they can know what,
Field boot,
like
dark
almost-
brown. Oh yeah, nubuck. Yeah.
it's always wearing.
Material is nubuck. Dang.
It's supposed to be called beef and broccoli because that's what it looked like. Yeah, that's an old school name for it.
Oh shit.
Damn. I'm glad they re-released these too because, let's try these on real quick.
Nice sliding.
The climbing boots on my feet, bro.
Yo, what the
You gotta wear these. You gotta wear these with baggy pants.
Yeah, or
You know,
cargo
like,
type
showing
shit.
What's it called? You gotta be chilling. And even tying it, it makes me feel I'm gonna have to find a way to tie it. Cause
At least they ain't long laces. I hate boots with long ass laces. They're the perfect size. Oh, yeah.
yeah. Alright, hold on. I'm doing my review real quick. See what these look like on feet. And you gotta wear these with jeans, bruh. It's gotta be with jeans.
Or some thick cargo pants.
Yeah. Oh, I actually have olive green pants.
Yeah, sir.
This one's longer than this one. Yeah, you gotta wear these shits with jeans. Oh, they look
I
good.
fuck with them hard.
Yeah, I'll be alright. Yeah, it's like suede.
Yeah,
Not even. As long as I got the and she's like, don't give it that. Oh, okay. And Ocean's there and I don't feel bad, so I don't try to feed her. She's like, that.
Yeah, I would realize I think he really likes kids, cause even like I know that Jacob's like he's afraid of dogs, but when Ocean automatically came up to him and he was really sweet.
Yeah.
So like Enzo's having the first kid he ever
Oh,
had.
wow.
Not the climbing boots.
Christmas was good over there.
This is how you rock, my boys. Right? I had the olive green pants.